Ngi piliang sungbai pi boro asasi sen pat syakani ka channel ka jangi bat ngash ko aban ong kublai shibo ni pi boro ki subscribers ki viewers bat ki to ki ba support yakani ka channel number ba kani ka channel kadang shudap arpo hajar subscribers takara ngash ko aban ong kublai shibun nang yai support yakani ka channel bat ngiru ngin nang yai upload shushu ki videos bat kiwe ki judge videos ru ngin saya upload hadin habot te hakani ka video ka bom tas ngin pe ikini ki post ki barang sulai thamai hapo Shillong Meghalaya yakini ki post la palai da ka BSF Senior Secondary School menta ubanai arajar arphoi ki kertang jugini ki post ki longkum ne postgraduate teacher English, postgraduate teacher Physics, trained graduate teacher Hindi but social science but UDC ka application pihak ban submit hapo post ngi nakani ka tarik ka ba mentakas ngi arfu artarik benai September arajar arpuai ki details jong kini ki post ki longkum ne ya ka post postgraduate teacher English ka balai ka way ka upper age limit ka de suppose nam but ka salary lani ka tulap ka de arpunya ujar sanspa akshi benai but ka educational qualification ka longkum ne pihak ban pendap ya ka masters lani ka MA haka English but pideru banyo 100% haki marks por berpipas ya ka MA but pideru ban pendap ya ka BEd ya ka postgraduate teacher Physics ka balai ka way ka upper age limit ka day suppose nam but ka salary lani ka tulap ka day aphunya wajar sanspa akshi benai but ka educational qualification ka longom ne pihak ban pendap ya ka masters lani ka MSc haka Physics but pide banyo 100% por berpipas ya ka masters but pide ru ban pendap ya ka BEd ya ka post trained graduate teacher Hindi and social science ka balai ka way ka upper age limit ka day life senam but ka salary lani ka tulap ka day aphun wajar arspa sanpau hakshi benai but ka educational qualification ka longom ne pihak ban pendap ya ka bachelors lani ka BA but pide banyo 100% haki marks haki niki subject Hindi, history, economics, geography but pide ru ban pendap ya ka BEd ya ka post UDC lani upper division clerk ka balai ka way ka upper age limit ka day life post nam but ka salary ka day khatsau hajar sanspa hakshi benai ka educational qualification ka day ba pihak ban pendap ya ka graduation but pide ru bandan ka knowledge haka computer but ki prefer bah ya ki bala dan lai snam experience but ka computer knowledge but ya ki bampat dap ya ka BEd ru ki bayo 100% ki mark support baki dap ya ka graduation ki la ban apply ya ka ni post ki candidates ki balong eligible but ki bakwa ban apply ki ni post pihak ban submit ya ka application but ki testimonials ki jong pihak bro ban pa online ya ka ni ka requisite fee ke badai arspa tingka syakani ka bank account kini ki account details la ayang ne but pihak ban pa ru ka hard copy sya principal BSF Senior Secondary School kebadan ha umpling renja Shillong hinyo khandai la inot nrio Meghalaya lingba ka speed post ka official notification lene ka official notice ka balak pelai hi dagane ka BSF Senior Secondary School ngal ai po description jong ni video te phila ban download link ba ka link bat phila ban pule lada phi ko ban tip shushu spang ki details